Hi, I'm Nevin, and I'm very passionate about user experience design with direct manipulation. With the advent of multitouch, we have freed ourselves from the computer mouse and the disconnected interaction of hand movement from cursor movement. Being able to directly touch what we interact with is a great victory, and the major reason why iOS is such an intuitive platform. However, in the design of the iPad, Apple has retained many of the design decisions that were made for a tiny mobile phone where one can only do one thing at a time. This leads to a lot of modal interactions and sequences of single finger taps, such as the Activity View controller, where the entire application is blocked by a modal interaction that blocks the entire application, and you have to tap through tedious steps to complete it. The 80s solved this problem with another piece of direct manipulation called drag and drop. So today, I bring the 80s right back into 2016 with my new open source library, CoreDragon. CoreDragon lets you get rid of context menus, modal interactions, and even copy-paste by allowing you to mark some areas of your applications as things that can be dragged and other areas as places where you can drop things. For my first sample, Dragon Frame is a simple photo frame application that lets me demonstrate why it's so powerful to combine drag and drop with multitouch. Here in the second tab of the application, we have 3 sample photos. I can tap and hold to grab this photo, and then I can use my left hand to navigate in the application at the same time, to navigate to the photo frame, where I can let go and have the photo frame accept the new photo. So by using my left and right hand at the same time, I can truly use the multi-touch capabilities of the iPad platform, and the interaction is as intuitive as it can get. Now, if I call up the application Dragon Photos in a split view, which is another sample application, I can demonstrate the second groundbreaking feature of CoreDragon, which is to allow dragging items between applications. I can choose a photo from my own library, grab it with my finger, and then let it go on the other side of the screen on the other application. When I let go, the image is transferred and the interaction is done with no weird Activity View controllers or copy-paste, only direct manipulation. CoreDragon also supports cancellation, where I can let go of an item outside of a drop area, and the item falls back into place in the original application. Now, CoreDragon also simplifies other single application use cases. For example, an interaction we're used to from desktop class applications is the ability to reorder a collection without having to enter a modal edit mode. We can just grab our photo and move it. On macOS, we also have spring loading, where we can grab an item, hold it over a folder, and the application navigates into that folder for us. However, with multi-touch, we don't need spring loading. We can grab a photo with our right hand, use our left hand to navigate in the application to the location where we want to drop it, and then let go, and the image is moved between folders. Just imagine how difficult this operation would be without drag and drop, requiring the user to locate the new destination in a secondary modal interaction. CoreDragon is available today as a CocoaPod and a source library on GitHub. Just pod install CoreDragon, and your application will be compatible with other CoreDragon applications out of the box. To transfer dragging payloads, CoreDragon uses the system pasteboard, which has a refined type system allowing you to specify with great detail what kind of data your application can drag and drop. If you have any questions, you can reach me as @Nevin on Twitter. Thanks for listening.